Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can manually adjust the shutter speed of the DJI Flip FLY MORE's camera. So to start, you will need to enter the camera view on your remote controller or on the DJI Fly app, depending on which peripheral you use to pilot this aircraft. Anyway, while in the camera view, tap on this icon you'll find at the bottom right corner to switch camera to the Pro mode. While in the Pro mode, tap over there to open the, parameter adjustment menu. Now, tap on the shutter, disable the auto toggle here, and now you can manually change and set the camera shutter speed. This is true for both photo and video modes. So if I were to switch to the video shooting mode, open Pro mode, and then open those adjustments, as you can see the shutter speed can be also changed for video. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.